Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Road King. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Road King with 34,758 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with a Freedom Performance exhaust, CFR slip-on mufflers, a Rockford Fosgate head unit, Reckless upper fairing speakers, an aftermarket color match front fender, a color match upper fairing, docking hardware, a Harley-Davidson speedometer with an integrated tachometer. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road King puts 116 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Road King has a 200 to 240 mile range. It has a 26.5 inch seat height and an 822-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's finish peeling on the timing cover, chips on the highway pegs, a chip on the fuel tank, the finish is worn on the clutch lever, and there's a paint chip on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and one fob. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.